A man strains forward beneath a heavy bundle of 10 wands, each gripped tightly in his arms. He leans into his steps, shoulders bowed, eyes fixed on a small town glowing warmly in the distance. The 10 of Wands is the culmination of fire, achievement that brings responsibility, passion matured into labor, and the final effort before release. The burdened figure is the central symbol. His body curves under the weight, yet he moves with steady purpose. This is not collapse, but commitment, the will to complete that which was begun. His posture expresses the paradox of accomplishment. Success generates new demands, and what once inspired now requires discipline to sustain. Though weary, he continues embodying endurance shaped by meaning. The bundle of 10 wands is the first supporting symbol. Each wand represents a task completed, a victory earned, or a responsibility accepted. Individually, they are manageable. Together, they are heavy. 10 marks the completion of a cycle, the point at which ambition becomes obligation. These wands show that fullness can feel burdensome and that even admirable commitments can accumulate into strain if carried alone. The second supporting symbol is his forward-leaning stance. He presses on despite fatigue, demonstrating perseverance in action. This posture reflects the moment when fire no longer blazes outward but burns inward as determination. It is the final push before the goal is reached, the labor of completion that tests both strength and humility. His bowed back shows effort, but his steady motion shows resolve. The third symbol is the road beneath him, straight, brown, and grounded. It represents the practical path of responsibility, clear, necessary, and unembellished. The smoothness of the ground implies that although the burden is heavy, the way forward is stable and direct. This is fire grounded in earth, purpose translated into diligent work. The fourth supporting symbol is the town ahead. Its red roofs and solid walls represent arrival, support, structure, and rest. This is the destination where the burden can finally be set down, the community that receives the fruits of labor. The town promises completion and belonging, the transformation of personal effort into shared stability. The fifth symbol is the golden sky arching above. Soft and warm, it reflects maturity, completion, and blessing. This is not the blazing fire of beginnings, but the gentle light of fulfillment. It sanctifies both struggle and accomplishment, affirming that the effort is worthy and nearing its end. Together, these symbols depict the final stage of the wand's journey, the labor of carrying one's creations to completion. The man embodies perseverance, the wands signify accumulated responsibilities, the road provides purpose, the town promises rest, the sky offers quiet reward. Fire has completed its arc, transformed from inspiration into meaningful work. In readings, the 10 of Wands appears when responsibilities feel heavy or when one is approaching the end of a demanding cycle. It urges completing what remains, delegating where possible, and recognizing the difference between necessary duty and unnecessary burden. It's wisdom, finish, then release. The 10 of Wands teaches that completion is sacred. What began in passion ends in perseverance and then finally in rest.